For decades, sovereign wealth funds were something America watched, not something it owned. They were the giants of the world, countries like Norway, Saudi Arabia, and Singapore, investing trillions from their national savings into global markets. But now, something big is happening. For the first time, the United States is quietly stepping into that game. And the rise of American sovereign wealth funds could change the balance of global finance forever. So what's really going on? Traditionally, the US never needed a sovereign wealth fund. Private markets were massive, capital was flowing, and Wall Street handled everything. But as states began generating budget surpluses, especially from industries like oil, tech, and renewable energy, the idea started to take shape. Why send that money back to short-term spending when it could be invested for generations? Now, states like Texas, Alaska, and New Mexico are leading the way. Their energy revenues are being funneled into massive, professionally managed funds, building wealth not just for today, but for decades ahead. Even California is exploring climate-related sovereign investment models, where profits from carbon markets and tech innovation go into long-term funds. It's not just states, though. Across the country, there is talk of a federal sovereign wealth fund, a national pool that could stabilize the U.S. economy, invest in infrastructure, and protect future generations from debt and inflation. Think about that for a second. A fund managed by the government, invested globally, earning profits for the American people. The same way other countries build their national wealth. For a country built on capitalism, that's a radical shift. The timing makes sense too. After years of massive spending and growing national debt, the US is searching for new sources of long-term stability. And with trillions already sitting in government-owned assets, from land to strategic reserves, the potential to grow that wealth through investment is enormous. But of course, it's not that simple. Critics argue that government-managed funds could become political weapons influenced by whoever's in power. They fear corruption, mismanagement, or unfair market control. Others warn that the US doesn't need one, that private markets already do the job better. Still, the momentum is building. As oil-rich states turn green and technology-rich states collect record taxes, America's financial landscape is shifting, and the rise of sovereign wealth funds could mark a new era, one where the government doesn't just spend wealth, it builds it. It's a powerful idea, and it could reshape how America thinks about money, investment, and the future itself. The question is no longer if America will create sovereign wealth funds, but how big they'll become when it does.